Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the Maniére 3s, and I've already unboxed this in my last video, but I didn't really go into all the details, and I feel like it is such a beautiful pair of sneakers that it deserves its own dedicated video. So today's video is going to be all about these sneakers, and I also want to share some outfit ideas, so I hope you guys find this video somewhat helpful, and I hope you managed to cop a pair because they did do a bigger release last Thursday. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to get a pair. I am so happy that I finally have a pair in hand, and in my opinion it's one of the best releases of 2021 so far. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while now, then you would have known that I did a video about the Maniére Invincible Adidas NMDs that came out in 2017 if I'm not mistaken, and that was the year when Adidas was doing the whole sneaker exchange thing, and that was the very first time that I've heard of Maniére. But the brand has been around since 2012, and James Whitner is the founder of Maniére as well as Social Status, and he's just like a really cool entrepreneur overall. And I've listened to quite a few podcasts with James Whitner, and he has an incredible story, so I'll make sure to link it down below if you guys are interested. So Jordan and Maniére collaborated and came out with these Jordan 3s as well as an apparel collection, and the collection is called Raised by Women, and they also came out with this really powerful black and white film on the Maniére site, and I highly recommend you guys check it out if you haven't already. And the sneaker is to celebrate Black women as well as their influence and impact, and I feel like that video was just so beautifully shot, and it was just very, very good, and you guys need to go watch it. The reason why James Whitner went with the Jordan 3 silhouette is because this was the first Jordan silhouette that his mom got for him and his brothers. The collection is made for women, but they also produced it in extended size runs as well as toddler and preschool sizing, which I think is really great. I think Jordan brand and Maniére did an incredible job at making this release very inclusive, and I just love this whole unisex style, like genderless style. I'm all about that. And it's just overall a really beautiful, timeless release. So anyway, let's just get into the details on the sneaker. You can see the upper is constructed in this really nice premium white leather, and I love the raw edges you can see over here. Instead of the typical elephant print that you'll find on a pair of 3s, they've replaced it with this really nice plush suede in a cool gray color. And moving down from that, you can see this really nice hit of dark mauvey gray on the midsole, as well as this beige off-white color, which gives it a sort of aged vintage kind of feel, which I absolutely love. Moving to the back of the sneaker, it has the Nike Air over here, which I think is really cool. But what is cooler is the hidden detail on the inside of this heel tab. So if you lift it up, you can see on one side it says all we have is each other, and from what I read, the cursive handwriting is actually James Whitner's mom's handwriting, which I think it's really cool. And on the other side it says you have to get comfortable walking alone. So I really love this little hidden detail on the sneaker. So when you look at the inside of the sneaker, it has this silver quilting that gives it a very premium sort of feel, but it also feels really, really good on feet. And with the insoles, you guys can see that it has the Jordan and Maniére co-branding. And right now with my sneakers, you can see that they have different colored laces on them because I wanted to see which one I prefer. So when you get the sneakers fresh out of the box, it comes laced with these white laces, but I thought I'll give the creamy off-white laces a go, and I really, really love the look of this. It definitely complements the midsole really well, and overall gives it a bit more of a vintage worn kind of a look, and I really love them. So I will definitely be swapping out the laces on this side so that I can have the creamy off-white laces. Another detail that I absolutely love is on the lace tips. You guys can see that it says work harder, and I'm pretty sure this was inspired by one of James Whitner's employees or someone on the design team, because he had the quote work fucking harder on his phone as the screensaver, and I think James saw that and decided to put work harder on the laces. So I love that little story. Overall, I think Maniére and Jordan Brand did an incredible job with this collaboration, and the product speaks for itself. I don't have any of the apparel collection, but I'm just so happy to have these, and I don't think there is a single person that will not like this pair of sneakers. So again, cannot recommend these enough. I love them so much, and I cannot wait to actually wear them out. So I did do some outfit idea things, so I will share them with you right now. I did like take some photos on my phone because I can't really remember the fits that I put together. So let me just go through them. In my last video, I posted a quick little like outfit with a really long coat. I pretty much just want to complement the really nice neutral tones of the sneaker. So you guys can see with this first outfit, I am wearing again another pair of beigey pants. I tend to gravitate towards pants with a bit more of a relaxed fit, and I like a wider kind of leg. So that is the pants that I'm wearing there. It is from Reigns. I'll make sure to list and link all my outfit details in the description bar below if you guys are interested, but you can just look at the photo and get some inspiration. You don't have to wear the exact same thing. And then I am wearing this really nice olive bomber from Fear of God. It is quite old, but I'm sure you guys can find any other olive bomber, but this is definitely one of my favorite pieces of clothing item that I have. And underneath there, I'm just wearing a nice neutral creamy sort of hoodie because again, I wanted to complement the tones on the sneaker. And then moving on to the next outfit, I am wearing these new pants that I just picked up recently. It is from Army Paris, and I really love them. You guys should definitely check it out if you're after any like really nice quality pants. I feel like that's probably one of my favorite pants that I've picked up this year. So it does come in men's and women's. The one I picked up is women's, and I just realized on the website it said it's cropped, but because I'm not very tall, it's kind of full length, so maybe keep that in mind. My height is 5'2", and then I am wearing my new ambush denim jacket, and then the t-shirt underneath is a human made t-shirt that I picked up from and clothing quite a while ago. With the next outfit, I am wearing the same pair of pants, but I decided to go for this like brownie earth tone kind of look. So I am wearing my YEEZY season 3 hoodie. It is nice and boxy and oversized, and yeah, this is again a very casual kind of look. In all my photos, I still have the white laces on, but I reckon if I switched it out to the creamy off-white laces, it would look so much better. It already looks good, but I feel like it would be like just that much better if I switched out the laces. And then the last and final outfit is pretty much what I'm wearing right now, and I am wearing this minty green Nike NRG hoodie. Keep in mind this is quite oversized. I got this in a size medium, and then with my pants I'm wearing my Uniqlo Carpenter pants in this creamy white color, and this is also one of my favorite pair of pants, and I low-key regret not getting more when it released. So this is part of the fall winter 20 Uniqlo U collection, so I don't think you can find it anymore, but I love these so much, and I have yet to find a pants that is like similar to this in terms of like the price range and the style of the pants. So if you guys have any recommendation for pants like this, please let me know in the comments below, because I am always on the hunt for a nice pair of pants, and I always want to share it with you guys as well because I always get asked what I'm wearing. So yeah, those are some of my outfit ideas. I don't know whether that was helpful. It was quite brief, but hopefully you guys get a good idea of what this looks like on and together with a fit. Obviously this is just my style and the way I would style it, and I'm still interested in looking into the apparel collection, but I don't know whether they released it here. I know that they released the sneakers via raffle, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, I need to look into that. So I just realized I didn't show you guys the box, and I should have done that in the beginning of the video, but you guys can see that it comes with this Really nice sleeve with the Maniére branding. Again, it definitely adds to this whole premium luxury kind of a feel. And this is what the box looks like. So it is in this nice cool gray color that complements the color of the sneaker. And in terms of the sizing, you can see that the sizing on top here is the women's sizing. So I got this in a women's 7.5, and below here is the men's sizing. So that converts to a men's US 6, and I feel like these fit me really well, and my true to size is a men's US 6, so I went for that size and it feels so good on feet, and I just love these so much. These are definitely a 10 out of 10, and I don't think I've said that for a sneaker release this year. I don't know guys, I feel like even though I've been picking up a lot of sneakers, I've also missed some of the major sneaker releases this year. Like the Supreme Dunks, for example, I still don't have them. And also the trophy room, so I really need to... My game has not been strong. Hopefully I'm able to get more of the bigger releases this year. I'm very excited for the Kors Sakai blazers, even the Kors Sakai apparel collection. I'm very excited for that, but I reckon that will be quite expensive, so we will see. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!